Happy New Year, Big Tractor Power fans. I thought it would be interesting to start out 2026 by taking a look at 7 of the major manufacturers offering high horsepower tractors in North America that are articulated, 4-way steer, rigid frame, or tracked. They include Case IH, Kloss, Fendt, John Deere, Massey Ferguson, New Holland, and Versatile. Let's head out to the field now so that you can see and hear a selection of the biggest tractors on the market today. Case IH's Steiger articulated tractor line includes 8 models ranging from 425 to 785 horsepower. They can be ordered with wheels or 4 tracks. The tractors all come standard from the factory with full power shift transmissions, and models up to 555 horsepower can be ordered with an optional continuous variable transmission. The top-end tractor, the Model 785, has a maximum horsepower boost up to 853 horsepower and weighs in at 72,000 pounds. The Kloss Xerion high horsepower rigid frame 4-way steer tractor was introduced to the North American market in 2013. There are currently 4 models. The entry-level tractors are rated at 490 and 530 horsepower. The top-end machines are the 12C-Matic tractors rated at 585 and 653 horsepower. They all come standard with a C-Matic constant variable transmission and are available with wheels or tracks. The top-end Xerion is the 12.650 TerraTrack, and it has a very nice large cab with great visibility. It does not have a large canister exhaust mounted on the right or left-hand side of the cab. It's mounted underneath for improved visibility for the operator, and it weighs in at 66,000 pounds.